Gotta see her. I'm starting there. I'm telling what to do. Look at that. Just look at it. Quick scope. Not really quick scope, but still.
Not a quick scope at all.
Brady, don't steal my thunder again. God. It's ruined my dreams all day. Just joshing with you.
What'd you say?
What'd you call me, Brady? You nasty?
Definitely one going A again. The sniper, she's going A.
I'm the way around. Nobody went B side. I was about to rage quit, Keith. Just keep checking every now and then.
Hold her up.
I got called out though.
Gotta get to lean back on the cell phone.
If I get this next one, I get a dashboard.
Graveyard.
Got one. Alright, Keith, get it up. Just get it up right now. Lay down and get it up.
I got it up. Holy Christmas.
Was that the one you were shooting at, Brady?
I'm not sure.
Is that you?
Nope, he knows me here.
Is that 80's graveyard then?
I got one hand playing, the other one capping.
Just lay right on A-bomb, Keith. That's the best spot for you right now.
Don't tell me what to
Calm
do. Gamble.
Oh, he's in graveyard. He kept running through.
Really? That's all.
What are you doing?
Hope you get turned on, Devin. I'm gonna laugh. Just joshing.
Try ball down. Keith, I got this. Just find somewhere to hide and keep the scoreboard up. See you right in the hallway right now. Atta boy, Keith. Ready for the AA-12 spray.
Comes up my rear, I'm done.
I don't think there's a possible way it's going to get behind me.
Here, let me play.
Yeah, let Brady play.
Let me play.
Hold it.
Or let Brady hold the camera.
Is she on?
We can look a little bit. You have a little slack. She's not really aiming. Am I honestly playing with the scoreboard up right now? Yes.
No, Brady, just unhook it and put it on your TV.
Yeah, unhook it. You can unplug it. Just unplug that.
Alright. Pop. Yeah, I'll come in. Not gonna lie to you. What just happened?
He killed himself. You got it.
And the radiation.
Yeah.
I'm done.